Your Revo will arrive in 2 boxes, one for the Revo and its accessories, the other for the cart, the pre-attached power supplies, and printer. You'll find the system component checklist inside the Revo box. While unpacking, check contents carefully against the checklist. Call UNETIXS immediately in the unlikely event that something is missing. Lay all accessories out on a tabletop to begin the setup process. When picking up the Revo itself, use the built-in handle. The cart will require some assembly not shown here. Please refer to the user's manual for the step-by-step process. It is always a good idea to retain the shipping boxes for future use. Adjust the cart height by loosening the black knob. The gas-assisted cylinder will rise. Tighten the knob to hold in place. Unpack the printer according to the manufacturer's directions. Place the printer on its shelf. Connect the power cord and USB printer cable as indicated. Due to their shape, you cannot insert them incorrectly. Later, when you have power connected, don't forget to load the ink cartridges. Place the Revo on its shelf on the top of the cart. There are 2 spring-loaded pins located on either side. Pull the pins out and let them slide into the receptacles on the Revo. These will hold the Revo securely in place. At the back of the Revo, you'll find the power and printer cables. Insert these into the rear panel, again as indicated. Insert the USB memory stick. The Revo will not store studies in memory without this in place. Refer to the operator's manual for more information. Now connect the color-coded right and left PPG sensors and clips. They are clearly marked yellow for right, green for left. When inserting the metal fittings into the Revo, make sure the red dot is in the 12 o'clock position. If you need to remove these connectors, pull them straight out. Take the gray Doppler cable and place the metallic fitting into the side panel where indicated, again with the red dot up. Plug the other end into your TrueDop Doppler probe. Notice that the fitting can only be inserted one way. Place the TrueDop probe in the receptacle on top of the Revo. Now, insert the pneumatic tube connectors into the ports on the front panel. These are also well marked R1, R2, and L1, L2. Place them appropriately. You may need to press down lightly on the metal clasp before insertion. Place the blood pressure cuffs in the side bins and the ultrasound gel into the receptacle on back of the Revo. The power switch is on the back panel. Turn the system on. Windows will start, as will the Revo software. If you do not have a memory stick in place, you will see this screen. Simply touch Cancel to continue. At this point, you will see the Revo main screen. Touch Start, then touch Options, and confirm with a yes. Revo gives you the option of taking single or dual right and left ankle pressures. On will prompt the user to take both dorsalis pedis and posterior tibial pressures when appropriate. Off will prompt the user to take a single ankle pressure on both right and left ankles, the user choosing which artery. Toe pressures are an important part of any vascular exam, especially with diabetic patients who may have incompressible ankle arteries, making it impossible to obtain pressures and therefore the ABI. In these cases, the Revo will automatically calculate the toe brachial index when great toe pressures are obtained. On will prompt the user to take toe pressures when appropriate. Simply touch the button to cycle through options. Toe waveforms are often used in the diagnostic process. These are obtained quickly and easily with the PPG clips and sensors. On will prompt the user to obtain these waveforms when appropriate.